What is going on, YouTube? And it's your boy back again, and I'm still on the Edwards Trail, and we're still doing it, and we're still getting it, guys. And I'm just picking up where I left off. You know, I try to keep my videos down to 20 minutes a piece, so you guys would actually watch them. But we're still in the same location, and it's still peaceful. And I'll just pan out to prove I'm still in the same spot. There's another trash receptacle over there. Good. Keep your trails clean. Do your part. And we're following the trail today. No malarkey, guys. No malarkey. Because I want to get back at a reasonable hour, and yeah. And I think the sign said 1.4 miles or something like that in the last video. You'll have to watch the last video of this, and then you'll find out, because I tend to forget things a lot sometimes. But anyways, that's ahead of me, and you know, it's the trail behind me. And like I said, this is a well-kept trail, well-maintained, which I enjoy. Nice and quiet, you know, and yeah. And like I say, it branches off in a couple of different places, and I didn't really pay attention and see any maps, so they might have had some maps, because it is like a designated trail, so they usually put up like a trailhead, which has maps and all the information you need to be on that trail. And it helps out the hikers, the walkers, to know where you're going. If you tend to veer off the trail like I do, it gives you you know, an idea of what location you're in. I know everybody probably knows that, but I like to put it in my videos so you guys can know I know a little bit, just a little bit. And I'll show you what I'm looking at up here. See how beautiful it looks? Fall is my time of year, guys. Definitely. And hopefully this loops around, but I don't know. Because like I said, I parked my Jeep way back there, so I would have to backtrack probably. Because I don't know if I went the right way or whatever, but it's okay, guys. I'm going to follow the trail, which is the gravel trail, not the other trail, because I could go off the other trail. But I've noticed on the trail, you know, I guess they're creating more trails. So they've got like concrete slabs there, I guess, where they pour the concrete and make certain things. I don't know, but anyways, I believe this just loops around, you know. Could be wrong, but because I can see through the trees, and that's basically where I parked at. So I'm not going to go that way. I just follow the trail and see where the trail leads me, because like when we went to the Raisin Park bike trail, you know, it just looped around, and you know, so I just follow the trail today and, you know, experience the trail, because that's what they put it here for, I guess. So I can experience it? No, so everybody can enjoy nature. But yeah, I'll pan out and let you see. Like I said, it's quite beautiful out here, and I enjoy taking videos of all the nature, you know, all the scenery. Yeah. and all the colors, you know. But like I said, I always have time to check out the little things. And there's some flowers right there for you guys, you know. Yeah. Yeah. We're checking out everything, guys. And just that color right there, that's pretty nice, isn't it? You can hear the birds in the background if you have good ears. And I'll just stop for a minute. Okay, guys, is that interesting? I don't know. Maybe I have to read books on filmmaking techniques and skills. I don't know. I like to keep it simple. And, you know, using my phone, it works pretty good. But like I said, I have my ways of doing things, and they might be different from other people's. You know, but it works for me, and it makes my videos come out okay, I guess. You know, some people watch them. But like I say, it's not about the numbers. It's about just making memories for myself and my kids, and you know, yeah. So I won't get too much into that in this video. Just experiencing nature and trails. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Like I said, they did a good job. I'm at peace. I'm calm. You know. Like I said in my last video on this hike or walk, I got up and had to work on my Jeep, so the idle air control, but that's okay. You know, it's all fixed, and I'm here on a, you know, doing a video. So, anyways, like I said, you know, like I say, I always talk about random stuff, so you guys to get to know me better in my hiking videos and exploring videos. I talk about everything, so my conversations usually don't have a direction or anything. I just talk about everything I want to talk about, and you know, keep it clean like I always do. Onward. I'm just kidding. The bird likes it. You hear him laughing? Yeah. I'm trying to keep it stable, guys. I like to give you guys a moment of peace too. Not talk so much. I'll try. Just so you guys can see what's to see. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to make it too long video. So, you know, it's a peaceful video, but, you know, I know you guys got things to do. So, if you like this second half to the first video, an Edwards Park hike or nature walk, trail hike, It's a nature walk. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you so choose. And as always, my friends, peace out, bro. Yeah, peace out. Till next time, guys. We'll go hiking sometime.